and I will not exceed here. I will adjourn this council until further notice.
Bwanyuma yo kutoroga kwa kanso ya Bushenyi nyumwa abazyo ubu ba kansara barukwanga kuhinguza embarira yo mwaka gw'2027 ahawe enshonga z'akakiko karukugaba emirimo zitakatereziwe erizoba ba Western Kore Civil Society Forum bayegita hari ba kansara kore ko kwatwaho ahawe obushomankuzo obutekire musheke ombwebembezi bwa district ya Bushenyi. Abantu bagira ngo kubura kuhamya akakiko aka nukwetorora hanshonga z'obushomankuzi ezo barukwegekerera bamumbebembezi ba district ya Bushenyi.
Konka enshonge muri barukwerezo kutagirenga no kugira ngo Public Service Commission ekahandike bari heji ero kubuza okubagizire bata oku barabize hakakiko ka Service Commission kandi twena ntikimanya ngo mu 2018 obukanso ya district ya Shitama last year kurabyo hakakiko ako chairman wa district hamwe na councilor hazibe bakavuga ni sente zideningi yabahirizwe kwingana miliyoni 13 chairman akakwata councilor haziba akakwata kurabyo hakakiko.
We advertise our brothers and sisters are blind. There was a deadline. They are waiting. Now in 3 months they are waiting to us.
Hati waba wagurze umurimo gwa chairman wa Service Commission bakwire mu sente hato kamutaho kwakwika hakora ki sente zo zihankaye kimanyisa ngo nafutandika kuguzemirimo okutunge sente zo so already from the word go akakiko nkaka abakora puti sito kutuhandikire Kampala biza kunuya bahandikira district ngu mutugambire cyabiro
twastamana wona kana na deck twastamana wona na speaker twamunyango bintu byona tukakora kandi twabwiriza ministry za kasitwa ya promising by the close of this week unajya kwa feedback.
Edward Mpabwa kansara wa Kyamhunga tabona kansa yorekera oburemezi obukanso ensi yorekerire kuraba mwembarira ya 2027 yabetahinguzibwe mbwire.
As long as timeline zezo kubasukuzugwe za stagendiro because tushame kubana twata budget tukujohereza Kampala naro tukugera byonka kanse biro 30 by'ukwezi kwa 5 bitakaice njibanje manisa kucyakurenga habo kube ibintu bitakorera izo baceme kuba tubukozere utakagiro mu ryejo cyatabireho nikibana cyamanyisa ngo government kwija kuba netandukana ija kuba netandukira omu work plan zitaruhu neba netandukira mu budget zitaruhu as long as just takoze so njo twantugambira abahiguru making sure concern y'abanyabushenyi concern ya kanso eyashaba bageze kureba ngo bagikora tugarka line ngo kumwahura
obwa hatabanizire reporter ku rugo Public Service Commission abatwire no bacondoza hanshongeji
akakakiko nubwo ntuza kwimuka abanyabushenyi twene tuzahakizimbe cyo tushitame akakakiko karire kahire nguzi ngo bakahiriza umurimo gwo kuza kwemera tukakuza
gasha kwa Onesimus Ndianabo
Mama Chama, Honorable Jennifer, Honorable